Hello and welcome to a week of wax. We are very excited to have you here. In case we've not met before, my name is Jessica Rose and I'm the founder of Jewellery Academy, and this week is all about introducing you to the wonderful world of wax carving. So you'll be learning all about the different types of waxes you can use, the tools and materials, and each day we'll be working through a fun beginner's project to get you started on your wax carving journey. So you'll be making rings, pendants, charms, all sorts of things. And I would just say be gentle with yourself as you go through the week. You're learning something new, be prepared to make mistakes, but also have a lot of fun. If you enjoy wax carving as much as we do, you might be interested to hear about our full 1-year wax carving diploma, which starts in September each year. Do check that out as well, because if you would like to train as a jeweler, develop your wax carving skills and work in stone setting and wax as well, that is going to be a brilliant progression from this week. But this is a free program. We're going to do it together. We're going to have a lot of fun. I would love to see what you guys make, so do come and share your progress with us inside the Jewellery Academy Facebook group, or come and tag us on Instagram at Jewellery Academy. I would love to see the good, the bad, whatever is happening along your journey. So have fun, enjoy it. We're going to get started and kick things off with day 1.